ATOTO A6 Pro. We can access the dash cam. Records in 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute blocks. You can choose. That's the dash cam. I like this radio because it has buttons, real buttons on it also. You have a SD card, even aux and USB. Don't really need anything else. The aux or USB, if you're not, I mean, you don't really need to plug in your phone because you got Spotify, Pandora, Google Music, even YouTube. Also got Plex and torque, so I can view what the car is doing. Go on YouTube. Go to the MDK Garage YouTube channel, which needs some oh look, pulled up a video. Got the YouTube channel loaded up. They'll look much better when I get some photos on there. YouTube, we got Spotify. The radio works well. I don't want to turn that on because it'll have copyrighted music. Reverse camera. If we put it in reverse, the reverse camera pops up. That is probably the biggest reason why I got this set up. Because it's nice having a reverse camera. Once you use one, you'll want to have it. We got the reverse camera. That plugs into the reverse light, so once it gets power, it automatically turns on the radio and pops right up. Got the dash cam. We also have GPS. It'll load up Google Maps. It has a GPS built that comes in with the unit. You just got to wire and stick it on. And there, that's where we are. Very good unit. I do recommend it. I bought the double din kit and had to take the old single din or din and a half that Dodge and Chrysler come with in these years, and replace that plastic with this one from Amazon. Well, it looks